Crafted for discerning travelers, the Vario is a versatile. Experience the elegance of the 2007 Prevost H345, a premier motorhome that redefines luxury and comfort on the road. At 45 feet in length, this coach offers expansive living space, making it ideal for both entertaining and relaxing in style. Inside, you'll find generous headroom, premium finishes, and customizable interiors, allowing you to tailor your space for ultimate comfort and personal taste. Under the hood, a powerful engine delivers smooth, confident performance, while an advanced suspension system ensures a stable, refined ride, even on the most challenging terrain. Whether you're cruising cross-country or setting up camp in style, the 2007 Prevost H345 blends top-tier design, high-end amenities, and unmatched performance, making it a standout choice for luxury travel and elite motorhome living. Prevost H345, where comfort meets class on every mile. Introducing the Airstream Rangeline, a perfect fusion of style, innovation, and adventure. Built on the reliable Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis, the Rangeline redefines the Class B RV experience with Airstream's signature silver bullet design, sleek, aerodynamic, and instantly recognizable. Step inside and discover a modern, well-appointed living space. With ample storage, a fully equipped kitchen, and a comfortable sleeping area, it offers everything you need to feel at home anywhere. The Rangeline is built for explorers. Its pop-top roof adds extra room for sleeping or lounging, while a powerful lithium-ion battery system and integrated solar panel ensure you stay powered, even off-grid. Whether you're chasing sunsets or forging your own path, the Airstream Rangeline delivers the luxury, flexibility, and freedom that today's travelers demand. Airstream Rangeline, where iconic design meets boundless adventure. Meet the 2018 Deathlefts Globetrotter XLI, a luxury motorhome designed to elevate every journey. Built on a robust chassis with a sleek contemporary exterior, the Globetrotter XLI offers year-round comfort thanks to its well-insulated construction, perfect for adventures in any season. Inside, you'll find a spacious, thoughtfully designed living area featuring premium furnishings, a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable sleeping space, and a modern bathroom, all crafted to bring the comforts of home to the open road. Smart storage solutions ensure you travel efficiently, while large panoramic windows fill the interior with natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere. With advanced driving features and a focus on comfort and reliability, the 2018 Globetrotter XLI is the ultimate choice for those who demand style, practicality, and performance wherever the road takes them. Deathlefts Globetrotter XLI, designed for travelers who expect more. Introducing the Furrion Elysium, a revolutionary motor coach that shatters every convention of mobile living. From the very first glance, the Elysium makes a bold statement. Its futuristic design and sheer scale command attention. But what truly sets it apart? A rooftop helipad, complete with a two-seater helicopter, offering an unparalleled level of freedom and prestige. Step inside, and you'll find a sprawling, ultra-modern interior that rivals the finest penthouses. The living space features luxury finishes, sleek furniture, and cutting-edge design throughout. A full gourmet kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, while the spa-inspired bathroom offers smart fixtures and a truly indulgent experience. The tech-forward entertainment system includes a massive smart TV, surround sound, and ambient lighting that creates the perfect atmosphere, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. And when it's time to unwind, ascend to the rooftop to discover a private hot tub, the ultimate place to take in the view, whether you're nestled in the mountains or parked at the ocean's edge. With the Furrion Elysium, luxury isn't just a feature, it's a lifestyle. Designed for those who demand the extraordinary, it's not just an RV, it's a mobile masterpiece built for elite adventurers who expect nothing but the best. Furrion Elysium, redefining luxury. reimagining travel. Experience the Comfort Mobile Vario, where the freedom of the open road meets the elegance of high-end living. Crafted for discerning travelers, the Vario is a versatile luxury motorhome that redefines what it means to explore in comfort. Whether you're cruising through mountain passes or parked by a quiet lakeside, the Vario delivers a seamless blend of mobility, innovation, and sophistication. Inside, you'll find a fully customizable interior, tailored to your personal style and travel needs. From spacious living areas and gourmet kitchens to premium sleeping quarters, every detail is designed with precision and care, using only the finest materials. Advanced features like smart climate control, ambient lighting, and high-speed internet ensure you stay connected, comfortable, and in control wherever your journey takes you. Built on a robust chassis and wrapped in sleek, modern styling, the Comfort Mobile Vario is engineered for smooth handling and long-distance reliability. It's just as at home navigating scenic byways as it is rolling into a vibrant city. For those who value the luxury of home and the spirit of adventure, the Comfort Mobile Vario is not just a motorhome, it's a mobile sanctuary. Comfort Mobile Vario, designed for the road, built for your lifestyle. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo, where luxury meets adventure in a sleek and compact camper van, designed for those who crave both comfort and freedom on the open road. Built with the unmistakable elegance of Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship, the Marco Polo seamlessly combines refined aesthetics with versatile practicality. Its stylish exterior makes a bold statement, while its premium interior welcomes you into a space designed for both relaxation and exploration. Inside, you'll find a smartly organized, spacious cabin featuring high-end materials, flexible seating arrangements, and a range of integrated amenities, including a fully equipped kitchenette, a fold-out bed, and ample storage for extended trips. Whether you're preparing meals, lounging with friends, or settling in for the night, the Marco Polo transforms with ease to meet your every need. Powered by a robust and efficient diesel engine and supported by advanced driver assistance systems, the Marco Polo offers a smooth, confident ride. Whether you're navigating winding mountain roads, cruising down the highway, or exploring urban landscapes. With intelligent onboard tech, including a touchscreen interface, navigation, and connectivity features, your journey is always under control, while the pop-up roof provides additional sleeping space, maximizing interior comfort without compromising mobility. Whether you're chasing sunsets along the coast, discovering hidden countryside trails, or simply enjoying a weekend escape, the Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo is your perfect travel companion. Blending premium comfort, innovative design, and adventure-ready capability into one elegant and compact mobile retreat. The road is calling. Answer it with the Marco Polo. Introducing the Newell Coach 1610, a custom-built luxury motorhome that redefines elegance, performance, and comfort on the open road. Crafted on Newell's proprietary chassis, the 1610 delivers a smooth, stable ride with unmatched handling, designed to glide effortlessly across long distances and varied terrain. Step inside to discover meticulously crafted interiors, where hand-selected wood cabinetry, plush leather seating, and premium appliances create a refined, home-like atmosphere. Every inch is tailored for sophistication, seamlessly blending comfort and function. This coach is equipped with advanced technology, including state-of-the-art entertainment systems and intuitive climate control, ensuring your journey is just as enjoyable as your destination. With its powerful diesel engine, cutting-edge features, and luxurious design, the Newell Coach 1610 is not just a motorhome. It's the pinnacle of mobile living. Newell 1610, where craftsmanship meets the road. Introducing the Mobile Vario, the epitome of luxury travel on wheels. Built on the dependable and powerful Mercedes-Benz chassis, the Vario is more than just a motorhome. It's a statement of style, comfort, and uncompromising performance. Tailored for travelers who demand the very best, the Vario boasts an exceptional driving experience, blending Mercedes engineering with smooth, refined handling, perfect for both highways and scenic countryside roads. Step inside and you're greeted with a world of elegance. Every detail is thoughtfully crafted, from the premium finishes and materials to the expansive layout that rivals high-end apartments. Whether you're relaxing in the spacious lounge, preparing meals in the fully equipped gourmet kitchen, or unwinding in your private bedroom, every inch of the Vario is designed for comfort, convenience, and sophistication. A modern bathroom, complete with luxury fixtures, enhances the onboard experience, while customization options allow owners to personalize the space to match their individual lifestyle and taste. The Rise-A-Mobile Vario doesn't just look good, it's smart too. With off-grid capabilities, state-of-the-art technology, and integrated energy systems, it supports extended travel without sacrificing the comforts of home. Perfect for long-distance journeys or leisurely getaways, the Vario offers true freedom. The freedom to explore, to escape, and to enjoy life on your own terms, all from the comfort of a rolling luxury retreat. The Rise-A-Mobile Vario, where refined mobility meets the art of travel. The 2015 Monaco Dynasty, where prestige meets performance on the open road. As the flagship of Monaco's luxury motorhome lineup, the Dynasty is the epitome of sophistication, designed for those who demand excellence in every detail. Built on a custom-engineered Roadmaster chassis, it delivers a powerful, smooth ride with unmatched stability and control, whether you're cruising highways or navigating mountain roads. Step inside and experience a masterclass in craftsmanship. The interior is adorned with polished porcelain tile flooring, handcrafted solid wood cabinetry, and premium residential furnishings, creating an atmosphere that rivals the world's finest homes. The spacious layout includes a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances. The spa-inspired bathroom offers refined luxury for ultimate relaxation. With cutting-edge technology and intuitive entertainment systems, the 2015 Dynasty ensures you stay connected and in control, no matter where the journey takes you. For those who seek both style and substance, the Monaco Dynasty delivers a travel experience defined by comfort, class, and confidence. 2015 Monaco Dynasty. Drive the legacy. Live the luxury.